Hi! Welcome to our math tutorial. So ngayon, aaralin natin ang quadrilaterals and its kind. So here is an example of quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral A, B, C, D. So ano nga ba ang quadrilaterals? So quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. Ibig sabihin, apat na side. So meron tayong side BC, side AD, side CD, and side BA or AB. It has four angles at meron din tayong apat na angles. So, we have angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. And always remember that the sum of all angles is equal to 360 degrees. So therefore, if we add all those angles or interior angles of the given quadrilaterals, the sum is equal to 360. Katulad ng, so kung si angle A ay 95, 70 degrees si angle B, 110 degrees si angle C, 85 degrees si angle D, therefore, 95 plus 70 plus 110 plus 85 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. So, meron din tayong tinatawag na special quadrilateral. So, we have here parallelogram MOLD. So, where two pairs of opposite sides are parallel. So, OL is parallel to MD and OM is parallel to LD. The same with two pairs of opposite side are congruent. So OL is congruent to MD and OM is congruent to LD. So in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So if this OL is equal to 11 degrees, therefore MD is also equal to 11 degrees. So, parehas sila ng measurement. Then, LD is equal to 5 centimeters. Therefore, OM is equal to 5 centimeters. Then, opposite angles are equal. So, if angle O is equal to 100 degrees, therefore, its opposite angle, which is angle D, is also 100 degrees. And if the measure of angle L is equal to 80 degrees, its opposite angle, which is angle M, is equal to 80 degrees. So, kung sinong magkatapat na angle, sila ang magkaparehas. Si angle D ay congruent sa angle O at si angle L ay congruent sa angle M. Then we have rectangle. Rectangle EFGH. So opposite sides are parallel and congruent. So therefore, FG is parallel to EF. This symbol is used to indicate parallelism. So, parallel daw si FG at saka si EH. So, if they are parallel and a given is a rectangle, therefore, opposite sides are congruent. So, 20 centimeters, therefore, EH is also 20 centimeters. The same with FG or FE, which is 6 cm, therefore GH is also 6 cm. And all angles are congruent or right angles. So kapag sinabi nating right angles, ang measure nito ay 90 degrees. Then we have rhombus. rhombus, S-O-I-L, or soil. So opposite sides are parallel and congruent. So SO is parallel to LI, therefore they are also congruent. Then SL is parallel to OI. And all sides are congruent. So kapag ang given natin ay rhombus, lahat ng measure ng side ay pare-pareho. So 6 cm si SO, si OI 6 cm, IL is also 6 cm, SL is also 6 cm. Then we have the square. Square, B-O-I-L, or boil. So all sides are congruent. So if BO is 4, all of the sides is equal to 4. That is a square. And all angles are congruent and right angles. So if they are right angles, the measure of each angle is equal to 90 degrees. So yung una nating naunang ipaliwanag na kinds of quadrilaterals are kinds of parallelogram, where the square, ang special dito ay si square, meron siyang properties or characteristics na meron kay rhombus at meron din kay rectangle. So, special si square kasi pwede siyang tawaging rhombus dahil ang kanyang sides ay congruent kagaya ng rhombus at pwede din siyang tawaging rectangle because all of the angles are congruent, which is 90 degrees. So, meron pa tayong natitirang dalawang kinds ng quadrilateral. So, those are the kites and the trapezoid. So, let us discuss the trapezoid. So, given this trapezoid WXYZ, so one pair of parallel sides. So, kapag trapezoid, meron daw one pair na parallel side. So, ano ba yon? So, dito sa ating given trapezoid, XY is parallel to WZ. So, itong arrow na to indicates parallel sides. Then, we have isosceles trapezoid. Pag sinabi naman nating isosceles trapezoid, ay legs are congruent. So, the upper base and the lower base are parallel. At ano yung tinatawag nating legs na congruent? So, ang legs na congruent ay XW is congruent to YZ. Or kung sila ay congruent, sila ay equal. Kung si XW ay equals to 10 centimeters, therefore, YZ is also 10 centimeters. Okay, let's proceed to the kite. So, in a kite WXYZ, all sides or adjacent sides are congruent. So, ang adjacent sides natin dito na congruent ay, sa given kite natin, we have WX is congruent to XY. Sila yung adjacent side. And then, we have WZ is congruent to YZ. So, that's all. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!